Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your Chromebook is updated, because stability matters. Once done, open the Play Store or Chrome Web Store and install Chrome Remote Desktop, then sign in with your Google account. Next, launch the app and pick Set up Remote Access. Name the machine and create a secure PIN of at least 6 digits so you can connect later. Make sure you grant any requested permissions. Without them, the service cannot run in the background or accept connections. Now you configure connections and test them. On the Chromebook, enable background operation and allow screen wake when plugged in so sessions don't drop. From a different device, open Chrome Remote Desktop, sign in with the same Google account, select your Chromebook, and enter the PIN you created. Once connected, adjust session settings like audio forwarding, clipboard sharing, and display resolution. These options improve responsiveness and compatibility. For example, choose full screen for immersive work or windowed mode to multitask. To finish, verify security and closure steps so access stays controlled. You should use a strong PIN, revoke any unknown devices in the app, and sign out remote users when finished. If a connection fails, first restart the Chromebook and the client device, confirm both are online, update the app, and re-enter the PIN. If problems persist, temporarily disable VPN or firewall rules and recheck Chrome Remote Desktop permissions. Often network routing or blocked ports cause issues, and that usually resolves the last remaining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.